Hello again, everyone, and welcome to the third installment of our Google Classroom walkthrough. So, in the previous discussion, we talked about this interface at the home screen of Google Classroom. This is the spot called the stream where you're going to find any announcements, resources, or reminders about upcoming assignments that your teachers have posted. In the second tab here, the Classwork tab, you are going to find any assignment that your teacher has assigned to you, along with the due date and any materials that you might need. All right, so we've posted a demo one in here, and what I'm going to do is walk you through how to click on it, how to attempt it, and submit it all within the Google Classroom environment. So let's go ahead and get started. If we click on this Google Classroom Mastery Check, all right, you're going to find this information like this. Your email address will be here. All right, and it will be noted that it will be recorded when you submit this form. This is a way for us as teachers to know that you have submitted your assignment. All right, you then go through the process of answering the assignment. You say your answer. What is your Google Classroom code from your third period? And we're just going to enter VHN34R. Under what tab do I find class materials? Now remember, you can find class materials not under the stream, not under the people, and not under the grades, but you're actually going to find it under the Classwork tab. All right. If you would like to be sent a copy of the work that you turned in here, you can select this that says it will send me a copy of my responses for me to view at a later date. I'm then going to submit the assignment like such. All right, and then it says it has been submitted. All right, you can view the score here if your teacher has set it up to be scored automatically. All right, so that is how you attempt and turn in an assignment in Google Classroom. All right, so to refresh what we just said, we are now in the second tab of the home screen of Google Classroom. This tab is responsible for any classwork that is going to have to be due or turned in through Google Classroom. So your teachers will submit assignments such as this one that we just did, and you will then work through it and turn it in all within Google Classroom. Hope this was helpful, and I'll see you in our last installment of the Google Classroom walkthrough at the end of this lesson.